Did you know that 40% of commercial tenants consider leaving their properties due to poor facility management? And organizations with high-performing facilities management teams see 30% lower operational costs, 25% higher tenant retention, and 40% greater asset value growth compared to those without strong management frameworks. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified Facilities and Property Manager program. This program is designed to equip facilities and property management leaders with the industry's best practices and proven methodologies required to manage modern facilities efficiently and sustainably. To begin the program, we'll delve into core topics such as life cycle asset management, capital renewal planning, facilities contract management, and energy management strategies. Next, we'll dive deeper into data-driven decision-making, IoT and AI for predictive maintenance, and ESG compliance. These are critical skills for modern property leaders. You'll learn how to reduce risks, enhance tenant experiences, and align real estate strategies with business goals, turning properties into high-value assets. As you progress, you'll refine your ability to manage capital projects, navigate regulations, and lead teams with ethical, future-ready strategies. Everything you need will be explained in detail as you progress through the course, moving from the basics to the advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even develop advanced capabilities in lease administration, emergency preparedness, contract negotiation, and data-driven performance monitoring. This will empower you to lead high-performing facilities and property management teams with confidence. Upon completion, you'll be awarded the prestigious Certified Facilities and Property Manager, or CFAP designation. This is a globally recognized certification with lifelong validity that will validate your expertise, elevate your professional credibility, and position you as a leader in facilities management. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and take the next step in advancing your career in facilities and property management.